Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. This is the second mock interview video lecture for the post of English lecturer. Once again, I have come up with the questions from English literature, linguistics, and general knowledge. So, dear friends, as I told you in the first lecture about the introduction, that you have to prepare your solid introduction to make the first impression, last first and lasting impression. So in this way, I would like to recommend you one thing at the start, that do remember the meaning of your name. Any interviewer can ask from you the meaning of your name, or the meanings if possible. Like my name Imran has multiple meanings, right? So know the meaning of your name. For example, the word Imran means there are three meanings of Imran. The one Imran, the most exalted. The second, the most pious. And third one, Imran means a society from which Imraniyat sociology has been taken. So in this way, prepare the meaning of your word as well. So we are going to start. The first question for the interview, which is expected, is from poetry. That what is a close couplet? A closed couplet. So try to answer the keywords, the literal definition of the words. If you see in there are any keywords, so now you are going to define the closed couplet. Basically, a closed couplet is a couplet of consisting of two lines with complete syntactic structure, giving the meaning and a complete a single idea. It is composed of a single idea, and both lines must be rhymed. For example, Alexander Pope says, "True wit in nature to advantage rest. What often was thought was never so well expressed." So this is the example of the closed couplet. The second question which is expected is the closet drama. What is the closet drama? You have heard about tragedy and comedy. You must not have heard about the closet drama. So closet drama is the basically the genre, which a drama which is written in order to be read, not to be staged or performed. So closet drama are never meant to be performed, they are rather more read than performed. The examples of the closet drama are like the Otho the Great by John Keats and Samson Agonis by uh, Milton. So these two dramas are the examples of the closet drama. Second question: to which countries does the Gulliver travel in the Gulliver's Travel? So this is a question from the novel side. Basically, in Gulliver's Travel, Gulliver's went to four countries. First, he went to Lilliputians. Second, he went to Brobdingnam. Third, he went to the Houyhnhnms, and the fourth, he went to the people of unknown creature. So these were the four countries where Gulliver visited himself. And the next question is from linguistics, the difference between language acquisition and the language learning. So this is the big theory and the difference lying between these two different linguistic concepts. Basically, language acquisition is the natural process, an unconscious process which takes place in infants or children. And language acquisition is basically the unconscious activity of a child when he acquires the language or the language units unconsciously from the surroundings. That language means language acquisition is applicable only in the first language acquisition, while second language learning is the conscious act which exists in adult when they try to learn the foreign language which is not present in their surrounding. So that is the big difference. And for the acquisition of the language, there is a basically naturally programmed device known as LAD, language acquisition device, as described by Noam Chomsky. So this is the difference between the language acquisition and the language learning. Fourth question is, what is portmanteau? Portmanteau is the concept of is the kind of word formation, right? So in word formation, for example, when two words are clipped and joined together, they form another new different word, and this becomes the example of portmanteau. For example, mortal, you it is motel is made up of motorway and hotel. So the motel is a hotel near the motorway. Smoke, from a smoke and smoke and fog, the word is made smoke. Spork, from pork and spoon, the word is made is spoke. So these are example of portmanteau. And the general knowledge question again is here, that any, because the recent political upheaval, like what are the what do you know about the Senate election? So you must be prepared with the current affairs updates. Like if I were to define the Senate elections, the Senate elections took place on March 3 to 2021, in which there were two candidates for the post of chairman, like Yusuf Raza Gilani and Sadiq Sanjrani. So there were 98 votes totally were cast, and two were absent, while 8 votes were cast improperly and they were rejected. So hence, as a result, Sajid Sandrani got 48 votes, while Yusuf Raza Gilani got 42 votes. As a result, Sadiq Sandrani became the Senate chairman. So that is all about the second interview. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and the content, do share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.